Hey guys, so quick video for you if the Quick2lend is a scam or no. Now, I don't really recommend using that, and here's the reason. So, when I looked here on a post here on Reddit that was like reviewing it and sharing their thoughts, it's AI generated, pure AI, right? And also when I look here on comments and everywhere, something feels really off and fishy. And I'm going to share with you how you can always know if something is scam or no. When you come on the website and they're like providing you loans, it should look good. But this is from Canva on the left side. Do you see that? On the right side, this is also from Canva. Some copied things. Also, like it's like jumping request funds. It's just like something's off. Also, this is like low quality downloaded. And I wouldn't really recommend using it. Is that yes, in Florida, but when I'm going to check here about us, you want to know who are the people behind it, right? But there isn't anything like that. It's like if you don't know who is behind it, then just be aware and don't even like use it. And this is just, look at this. Can I request over the phone or in person? We're sorry we can't take calls. We don't operate the calls because they are very expensive. We want this to be free of charge to you. So no, just don't even use it. I mean, you can do whatever you want with your life. Just be aware. This is just a quick video for you. Like it's all something is off about this site. Just trust your own senses, the intuition, and it will guide you. But even the reviews that I read here, that is just like, yeah, not good.